Salt. It's everywhere, on our tables, in our kitchens, and scattered throughout history. But for island nations, salt isn't just a seasoning, it's survival, culture, and identity wrapped in a single, crystalline grain. Why do salty foods dominate the diets of those living on islands? The answer goes far beyond taste. It's a story of adaptation, necessity, and resilience shaped by the unforgiving sea. Life on an island is relentless. Surrounded by endless water, cut off from the conveniences of the mainland, survival demands ingenuity. For centuries, islanders have faced the challenge of preserving food in a humid, salt-laden climate, where refrigeration wasn't even a concept. Salt became the ultimate tool, a natural preservative that kept fish, meat, and even vegetables edible for months. This wasn't just practical, it was transformative. Salting food didn't just keep people alive, it allowed entire cultures to thrive in isolation. Take salted fish, for example, a staple for countless island nations. It's not just food, it's tradition. From Japan's shiokara to Jamaica's saltfish and Iceland's salt-cured cod, these dishes represent generations of knowledge, passed down through hands that worked tirelessly to extract life from the sea. Every bite tells a story of hardship, adaptation, and an unrelenting bond with nature. But salt isn't just a preservative. It's flavor, yes, but it's also fuel. Island living, with its physically demanding lifestyle, fishing, farming, hauling nets, burns through energy like fire through kindling. Salt, rich in sodium, plays a crucial role in hydration and muscle function. Without it, the body falters, especially under the brutal sun that bakes many islands. Salty foods weren't just a choice, they were a necessity for survival. Yet, there's a deeper connection here, one that's not immediately obvious. Salt is the ocean. It's the waves crashing against the shore, the spray on a fisherman's face, the lifeblood of the creatures that sustain these communities. By consuming salty foods, islanders are, in a way, consuming the ocean itself, a cycle that ties them to the water in a way that mainlanders could never fully understand. And while modern diets often demonize salt, labeling it as the enemy of health, for island nations, it's far more nuanced. These communities have a relationship with salt that's deeply woven into their existence. It's not about dumping a shaker onto your fries, it's about survival, heritage, and the delicate dance between land and sea. Salted foods are also symbols of ingenuity. Think about all the iconic island dishes that have shaped global cuisine: curried saltfish in the Caribbean, anchovies from Mediterranean islands, or the salted umeboshi plums of Japan. These aren't just meals, they're proof of human innovation. When faced with scarcity, islanders turned to the sea and found not just sustenance but flavor, preservation, and meaning. So, why are salty foods a staple for island nations? Because they had to be. Because the ocean doesn't give gifts freely, you have to work for them. Because salt is the flavor of survival, the taste of tradition, and a reminder that for those who live surrounded by water, every meal is a testament to resilience. Salt isn't just a mineral, it's a lifeline. And on an island, where every resource is precious, it's a way of life.